Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Pipedream versus N8N. Pipedream versus N8N are both popular workflow automation platforms, but they have distinct features, use cases, and approaches. So the overview of Pipedream is that Pipedream is a cloud-based integration platform designed for building and automating workflows and APIs. It is particularly focused on connecting various services and APIs quickly with a strong emphasis on developer-centric features. Pipedream is great for automating workflows with minimal setup, offering a high level of flexibility and control. Some key features of Pipedream is it allows developers to write custom JavaScript or Python code within workflows, offering fine-grained control over logic. Pipedream supports hundreds of out-of-the-box integrations with services like Google Sheets, GitHub, Slack, etc. Workflows are triggered by events like HTTP requests, webhooks, and external API calls. You can use the low-code platform for quick automation or dive deeper into custom code as needed. Pipedream executes workflows in a serverless environment, meaning you don't have to manage infrastructure. It works well for highly scalable use cases as it automatically handles scaling behind the scenes. Pipedream is best for developers who want a high level of control and flexibility in creating integrations and automations. Quick event-based API workflows where you need to write minimal custom code. And it is best for those who need advanced control over their data processing and automation. Downsides of Pipedream is that it can be complex for non-technical users due to its developer-first approach. And it is less visual interface for building workflows, which might be a downside for those who prefer a more intuitive UI. Pricing plan of Pipedream is free tier of 100,000 executions per month, and paid pricing is of $0.10 per 1,000 executions after the free tier. And custom enterprise plans are available for high volume use cases. While the overview of N8N is that it is an open source, self-hosted workflow automation tool that focuses on providing a visual interface to create workflows. It is designed to be highly flexible, easy to use, and customizable, targeting both developers and non-technical users. Key features of N8N is that its drag-and-drop interface allows users to build workflows visually, which is intuitive and beginner-friendly. It is free to use and you can host it yourself. This gives you complete control over the platform and your data. N8N supports more than 200 integrations with various services, example Google Slack, Twilio, and many others. You can automate processes with little to no coding, but you can also add custom code when needed. You can run N8N on your own infrastructure or use the cloud-hosted version. Since it's open source, N8N has a growing community that contributes to its development and helps create new integrations and features. N8N is best for users who prefer a more visual and user-friendly interface. It is best for teams or individuals who want to self-host their workflows for better control or privacy. Best for that users who need a flexible, cost-effective automation tool with a large number of integrations. Downsides of N8N is the self-hosting option requires technical expertise for setup and maintenance. And the hosted cloud option N8N.Cloud requires a paid plan for more advanced features and scalability, and it can be less powerful than code-heavy solutions for highly complex automations. Pricing plan of N8N is that it is free tier, self-hosted, completely free with unlimited executions, but requires a self-hosting. And cloud plan is of $20 per month for 5,000 executions per month and 5 workflows. And of $100 per month for 30,000 executions per month and 20 workflows. And custom pricing available for larger teams or advanced features. So basically, this is the difference between Pipedream versus N8N. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.